To use the split screen view on your Pixel phone, you'll first swipe up from the bottom and stop around the middle of your screen to bring up the app switcher. If you're using the button navigation, just tap the Recent Apps button and you'll get this same view. Here, you'll choose the first app you'd like to include in the split screen view. Find the app, and then tap the app name on the top of the preview window. A little menu opens, and we're going to choose Split Screen from the available options. Then it's time to pick your second app. Use the app switcher and tap any app you'd like to add to your split screen view. And into the split screen they go. Now you can use two apps simultaneously, scroll their contents, and navigate within the apps as usual. The little divider bar between the apps can be dragged, allowing you to change the 50-50 split and give one of your apps a little more space. You can change the size either way, and that divider has another hidden trick built into it. Give it a double tap, and it'll flip the order of your apps. This way, you can always switch which app is on the top and what goes on the bottom. When you go to the app switcher, those apps are now paired together, and they'll stay together until you close them. If you tap one of the apps in the app switcher view, you can save them as an app pair. This puts a little app pair icon on your home screen, and you can use that anytime to relaunch those two apps, bundled together in a split screen view. This can be convenient if you frequently use the same two apps together and don't want to set up the split screen view from scratch every time after you've restarted your phone. Just tap the app pair and they'll relaunch exactly like you set them up before. And of course, to exit the split screen view, you can just close the app pair in your app switcher by sliding it up, or you can drag the center divider all the way up or down to make one of the apps full screen again. And that's split screen on Pixel phones. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.